Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add a bot in Telegram group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And first, in order to add a bot to a group, you must know bot's username. If you don't know the exact bot's username that you want to add to your group, you can open up Safari web browser and then at google.com at the search box just enter bots for Telegram or Telegram bots, and it shows you different websites where you can find a lot of useful Telegram bots. Let me hit at the first link, and now it shows me, let me scroll down, different bots for Telegram. I can scroll down to see the exact username of that bots. I can't actually find it. Here it is. Try feed reader bot here. t.me/ and the last part is actually bot's username. Also, you can scroll down to check for other bots, Zoom bot for example, and let me add that bot to my group. So I can hop out Safari and open up Telegram. So all you have to do now is hit right here at group name to show up their options, where you can easily find add members. You can tap on that. So you have to actually add the bot to your group as a member. In here you can tap add search, and first you have to tap add symbol, and after that you have to enter bot's name in that way. After that you can check mark the bot and hit on done to add that bot to your group. After that, you can immediately scroll down at your members to see all your members, including bots. As you can see, these three positions are taken by bots, so you can add multiple bots to your groups in the same way. I've added already welcome bot, jobs bot, and now I have Zoom bot at my group. And in the same way, you can remove bot from your group. You can just swipe over to the left to bring up that options, and from here you can tap on delete to remove that bot from your Telegram group. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.